Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the encoder error that occurs while recording in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. In the upper left corner, click on File and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once the Settings window opens, navigate to the left panel and click on Output. This is where you'll adjust your encoder settings to resolve the error. Look for Video Encoder and click the drop-down menu right beside it. If you're currently using hardware AMD, select Software X264 from the list. If you're using software, switch to hardware AMD instead. This simple switch often resolves encoding conflicts that cause recording errors. Scroll down until you find another video encoder option. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and apply the same logic. If you're using hardware AMD, select Software X264. If you're using software, select Hardware AMD 264. This ensures both encoder settings are properly configured. Now navigate to Output mode at the top of this section. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select Advanced. This mode gives you more control over your encoding settings and is essential for fixing encoder errors. Click the Recording tab at the top of the Settings window. Navigate to Video Encoder and click the drop-down menu right beside it. Here's where you'll choose the encoder that matches your GPU. Select NVENG H264 or NVENG AV1 if you're using an NVIDIA GPU. Select AMD HWH264/AVC if you're using an AMD GPU, or select QuickSync H264 if you're using an Intel integrated graphics card. Choosing the correct encoder for your hardware is crucial for stable recording. In the bottom right corner, click Apply and then click OK to save these changes. Now we need to optimize OBS performance through Windows graphics settings. In the bottom left corner, click the Start button or Windows icon, then type Graphics Settings and click it from the search results. Once the Graphics Settings window opens, click Browse. Navigate to your computer folder, locate the OBS Studio installer, and click Add. This allows Windows to recognize OBS as a graphics-intensive application. Your OBS will now appear in the list. Click on it and then click Options. A new window will pop up with performance settings. Click the circle beside High Performance and then click Save. This prioritizes your GPU for OBS, reducing encoder strain. If the error still persists, try switching to power saving mode instead, as some systems handle encoding better with this setting. If you're still experiencing issues, the problem might be with your graphics drivers. Click the Start button in the bottom left, type Device Manager and click it from the results. In the Device Manager window, double-click Display Adapters to expand the section. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver from the menu. Click Search automatically for drivers and let Windows search for and install any available updates. Outdated drivers are a common cause of encoder errors, so keeping them updated is essential. And there you have it, you've successfully fixed the OBS encoder error. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.